Good morning, beautiful people. You welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. I promised to give a practical video of how you can rebatch your soup. Today, I decided to use this electrical. You can see how simple my teaching is because I don't want anybody to have an excuse. I actually come for all the that is why I'm using all these things. My equipment are not here. So since I'm rebashing, there is not much effect on that. So this is the soap, the pieces of soap I'm going to rebash. I'm rebashing this and rebashing this. So you don't need to trash your pieces of soap. You don't need to trash them. If you have been watching me, you will notice that I have dropped a video like this promising to bring the practical part of it. So I'm going to turn it inside. This is a little water I'm putting so that to enable this soap to dissolve very well. So that is it. So this is it. This is it. This is it. So you allow it to dissolve very well. You allow it to dissolve very well. So that is it. It will dissolve completely. Keep stirring it, don't leave it, keep stirring it until it dissolves completely. You turn it into your mold, and then you can add bubble star. If you are not okay, you can add color after you bring it down, and you can also add fragrance if you wish to after you bring it down. So that is it. This is the mode I'm going to use since I'm rebashing and it's not much. So this is the mode I'm going to use. You can say this is the mode. But if in case you don't have this mode, you will have this transparent takeaway plate. In case you don't have this mode, please you can turn your soap into something like this, and once it's dry, you are you'll be able to use knife to cut them to different sizes you want. So I don't want you to have any excuse or discourage of not having this mode. I started with this before I get any of the shape mode that I have today. So I told you that I'm just coming for holiday. So I just decided to do this practical because I gave a promise that I'm going to do it. So this is the bone buster. I want to add a little of it, not or just a little. Then I want to add a little color to it, but I will not add fragrance because I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to use it at home. Like I said earlier that you will be checking it. You can see this is well dissolved. So I love what I have here. So at this point, you are free to turn in your soap to a soap mode, any mode you want of your choice you want to. I just say that if you don't have mode, you can use that of the takeaway container, anything. You can use carton to construct it. So this is it. This is just pieces of soap. You might end up having any pieces because sorry, any particle because it's a pieces of soap. So I'm just rebashing it instead of trashing it so that we can use it at home to watch or do anything. So at this point, I'm going to take it down to add my bone buster. I don't want to add it inside here. To add my bone buster, and from there, I will add my color when it's a bit solid. If I want to just mix the color, you'll see everything. So we are going to watch this video. We are together in this practical to the end of it. Okay, I'll bring the soap down. You can see. So I'm going to put my. This is my bone buster. Just little, just very little. See where it is. So I'm just going to put little because I'm rebatching it. Already I have this is buster SLS, but I still want to add it because I've added a little water to it. So make sure you stir yours very well. Stir everything together so that it warms very well. I don't want a situation when they want to use it to wash, it becomes difficult, like trying to scrub it hard on clothes such that you will not be able to wash your clothes. You won't be able to wash your clothes because there is no foam buster on it. Sorry, it's not foam, it's not foam. It was very light tracing, but now it's thickening up. So I wouldn't want it to give me punishment. That's why I just need to rebatch it. So I'll start filling in my mold with my soap. For the color, I'm going to mix it here. Once it starts solidifying, not that very hard. I just want to mix the color to have two colors. So if you have watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed, please do so. Just go and hit the subscription button, please, so that you will have a notification of any new videos that we drop from this channel. Thank you. We've come to the end of this section. Actually, I'm going to rebatch to soap. So I'm going to put in another one now. So you can see, as simple as this. So nothing is hard. So don't just feel discouraged. I will not be able to do it. You will be able to do it if you just made up your mind that you will achieve something great. So you can see how simple I have to bring down this teaching so that you don't have excuse. You will not be able to say it, so that you won't end up saying I will not be able to do, I will not be able to do this. So this is it. So I'm going to allow this soap to be a little hard. Then I will start mixing my color on top of it. You can see our second rebatch is ready. Our second rebatch is ready. Alright, alright. Our soap is ready. So what do we have here? So you can see what we have here is ready. It's strong. See what we have here. Our soap is ready. So I need to take it from this place. This is the backyard of the house. I need to take it from here to outside so that I try to mix some color here. So if you want yours to be plain color, you are free to do that. You can see what we have here. So this alone, if I intend selling this size, I'd sell 100 naira side and 150. So if I want to sell this say 100, I will have a total of 1,500. I want to sell 150. I think you can do your calculation and see how much I will make from this pieces of soap than trashing it. So you can see that with your eyes. So you don't need to trash yours. You don't need to trash yours.